Now, Google's subsea internet cable called Equiano has surfaced in Lagos, Nigeria. The internet giant says that the high-speed network infrastructure will provide 20 times more capacity as part of the company's $1 billion investment across Africa. Equiano joins a network of subsea cables which provide connectivity across most of the continent. It began in Lisbon, Portugal, and once completed will stretch all the way to Cape Town in South Africa while taking detours through Nigeria and Namibia. Google says the infrastructure should lower data costs, possibly by up to 21%. Connectivity costs are a major concern for many on the continent, as are, of course, internet speeds. Google predicts a 5 times faster internet speed in Nigeria alone. And this faster internet will, they think, lead directly or indirectly to the creation of 1.7 million jobs in Nigeria and South Africa. Well, Google's West Africa Director, Juliet Ehimuan, has been speaking to the BBC's Nkechi Egbona.
Through the increased activity in the digital economy, we're looking at a contribution to GDP by 2025 of about $10.1 billion. In the next 5 years, it's projected that an additional 300 million new internet users will come online. And so investment in infrastructure is really critical. Different aspects of the entire end-to-end value chain. And this is an important part.
Africa has many intercontinental cables connecting it to the outside world, but last-mile connections are still very few and far between. How can we improve connectivity and access locally?
Looking at rolling out infrastructure, the government also has a role to play to make spectrum available, to ensure that there's an enabling environment. The cost of expansion is managed. Things like right-of-way fees, multiple taxation, protection of critical telecoms infrastructure, those kinds of initiatives to just really make it an enabling environment for infrastructure expansion so that connectivity can really be expanded to the rural areas in an affordable way. We're seeing a lot of great African content coming online. If you take a platform like YouTube as an example, we're seeing fantastic creative content from Africa, entertainment content, Nollywood movies, lifestyle content, and so on, being uploaded to YouTube and being shared with the rest of the world. Now, that also has a very unique advantage because a lot of these content providers can monetize that content. That way, we are attracting foreign investments, attracting income in, because that content is being monetized by users around the world. So as we make infrastructure and access a lot more available, I believe that that would expand even more.